Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on spinners and chance. In the previous video, we mentioned that situations involving probabilities occur daily all over the world. One popular instrument which is used by many organisations for entertainment and for determining prize winners is the spinner. Spinners come in all shapes and sizes. Some have numbers, letters, or a combination of both. In this video we will look at circular spinners. Answer the following questions for the spinner on the left. We will assume that the wheel has been spun in each case. First question, what is the probability of landing on a black? Now if we look here, we see 1, 2, 3, there are 4 black numbers, 8 altogether. So the black numbers are 1, 3, 5 and 7. They're actually the odd numbers, and that can be simplified down to a half. So the probability of landing on a black is 1 over 2. What is the probability of landing on a factor of 12? Now a factor of 12, we mentioned in earlier videos, is any number that divides into 12 evenly. And these numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. So there are 5 of those numbers, so it's 5 on 8. So the probability of landing on a factor of 12 will be 5 out of 8. Answer the following questions for the above spinner. What is the probability of landing on a black? Okay, there is only one black number here, see? 8 numbers altogether. So the probability of landing on a black is 1 over 8. What is the probability of landing on a factor of 15? So like the previous question, the factors of 15 are the numbers that divide into 15 evenly. And the only numbers that divide into 15 evenly from this spinner here are the 1, the 3 and the 5. So the answer will be 3 on 8 because there are 3 numbers. What is the probability of landing on a multiple of 3? Now a multiple of 3 is like the 3 times tables. Okay, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So 3 is one of the numbers and 6 is the other. So there are 2 out of 8 and we cancel that down or simplify it to 1 out of 4. So the probability of landing on a multiple of 3 is 1 in 4 chances. What is the probability of landing on a perfect square? Now we did an earlier video on perfect squares. 1 is a perfect square because 1 squared is 1, and 4 is a perfect square because 2 squared is 4. So the numbers are 1 and 4. There are 2 of them, so it's 2 over 8, which is 1 chance in 4. The above wheel is used in many organisations. It is numbered from 1 to 24. What is the probability of landing on a yellow number? Now there are 24 numbers altogether and there are 4 yellows. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 4 over 24, which is 1 in 6. That's the probability. What is the probability of landing on a factor of 40? Now what are all the numbers that divide into 40? Well, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 7 of them. So 7 numbers on this wheel divide into 40 evenly, so the probability is 7 over 24. What is the probability of landing on a blue or green number? Okay, so it's either one of those 2. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 of them. There are 8 numbers which are coloured either blue or green, so the probability is 8 over 24, which is 1 in 3. What is the probability of landing on any number? Any number at all. Doesn't matter which one. Well, it has to be 24 over 24. And when you cancel that down, you get 1. Later on, we'll look at what this actually means. When you have a probability of 1, we'll have a look what that actually means.